Introduce modern style. With clean, smooth lines, this organizer inspires an up-to-date look that is fresh and contemporary. The modern finishes complement a variety of kitchen styles and color schemes, showing off your style in the best light. Simple refilling. To replace your kitchen towels or paper towels, simply slide the dirty hand towel off the center rod and slide the replacement washcloth in place. No knobs or arms to adjust. Paper towel holder fits both standard and jumbo rolls. Avoid installation. Add extra storage without all the hardware. Padded brackets slide easily over cabinet doors for quick, no-fuss installation. No tools required. Perfect for apartments, rental homes, or RVs. Durable construction. The sturdy steel construction withstands kitchenware and tear and heavy use. The durable metal brackets and towel rack do not bend for stable support of kitchen dish towels and hand towels in the bathroom. Dimensions: 12L by 4.5 W by 6.5 H. To clean, wipe with a damp cloth and towel dry. Cabinet shelves may obstruct cabinet door from properly closing when item is used. Please measure in advance of purchase. Top reviews from the United States. Duo over cabinet door dishcloth and paper towel holder. Nice. I am in an apartment where I don't want to install things that make holes or put up things I can't take with me when I move. This meets my needs perfectly. I have my dishcloth by the sink and paper towels are handy, but out of sight on the inside of the door. You could use this the other way around. Its beauty is strictly utilitarian. There's nothing special about how it looks, and I might say it doesn't appear to be super sturdy. Whoever makes this put a bit of buffer inside the part that hangs on the door, so it won't slide around or clank. Maybe a little overpriced? I decided. Worth it because it does two jobs and there's zero installation.